Hey guys, welcome to another episode of the Trading Blog. If this is your first time joining me, my name is Akil Stokes. I'm a professional Forex trader as well as a trading coach over at tradingpower.com. And this is a blog video I like to do that really steps away from the heavy technical stuff like we do in some of our other videos and just focuses on really providing some day-to-day lessons of trading through my personal trading journey and of course through the traders that I communicate with on a regular basis. And if you've been following along with me, you know that last week I was a little bit under the weather, I was a little bit sick, which really changed my schedule around. It was really a blessing and a curse. So typically I'm always doing some type of physical activity. I'm training for something, or I've got a meeting here or an interview there, and because I wasn't feeling too good, I kind of shut down everything that I was doing aside from, running our live trading room and our syndicate program. And it opened up a massive amount of time. And well, I used that time to really work on myself as a trader and, going through charts and working on some strategies and whatnot. And it took me back to when I first started trading before I was in the education business, when I was just strictly trading and that's all I was doing. And my whole day was surrounded around that. And just thought it would be cool to give you guys a lesson or talk a little bit about the amount of work that goes into not only becoming a consistently profitable trader, but more importantly, staying a consistently profitable trader over time. In this week's Forex market preview, the video that I put out yesterday, I shared with you guys a simple strategy and kind of the idea that, hey, if you're a newer trader out there, your goal should be, after really learning the fundamental elements about the market, your goal should be to concentrate on a single strategy. And then while you're using that single strategy to hopefully extract consistent profit from the markets, you're working on another strategy. And one of the things that was stuck in my head after saying that was, I hope that traders don't get the mindset that, hey, once I learn something, that's it, that's enough. Once I master, a trend continuation trading strategy, that I never need to touch it again. I can just simply trade it and it will work forever the same way it worked before. And that's not the case, guys. Remember, trading is a skill, and like any skill, the more you work on it, the better you become at it. And the less you work on it, the more you ignore it, right? The less sharp you're going to become. So if you have a strategy that you've developed, that you're working on, that you're trading, and then you start to kind of ignore it and you don't continuously work on maintaining it or even improving it, you're going to fall at risk of maybe falling behind. It's very important that you schedule out time to work on that strategy. You guys know, again, I do a lot of physical activity, a lot of fitness-based stuff. I also am a coach and a former athlete. So each week I kind of plan out my day just as I did with my my athletes, where I plan out training sessions. And if we take any type of sport, right, you have different training sessions where you're working on different elements, right, of your game, whether it's for basketball, shooting, defense, maybe specific play calling, fitness, something like that. Or you could take whatever sport it may be. Even actually professional gaming is a good example as well. At least two of the transformation clients I know are professional or have been professional gamers, and I also have a friend of mine that used to be it. And a lot of people assume that professional gamers, all they do is just they wake up, they play a video game whenever they want, and blah, blah, blah. They make some money off of it because they're good. Well, in reality, professional gamers, they treat their gaming like a full-time job. And in the morning, they'll put together a training lesson or a training session just for shooting or just for working on this skill or that skill. It's the same thing as trading. I think if you have the time, or if you're able to make the time, or you need to make the time to work on different elements of your trading throughout the week, work on identifying trend, dedicate an hour to doing that, to identifying, reading a trend and just predicting trend, dedicate another hour to something more specific, maybe finding double bottoms or finding divergence on the RSI, whatever it may be. Make it specific to whatever you're trading and whatever you're working on, but you have to put that time aside to work on that skill if you want to improve it or if you want to keep it sharp. And I know that having the chance to do that last week made me feel a feeling that I haven't felt in a while. And some of you guys are asking, well, Akil, how come you don't do it as much anymore? Well, I just don't have as much time. Life has changed. I have a family now, a little kid that takes up a certain amount of time. Education on the trading side takes up a massive amount of time for me, doing videos like this, responding to emails, working with clients, creating a lot of the background stuff, a lot of the free workshops that we give you, right? Those take hours and hours and days and weeks to create. So a lot of time goes into that. And that's kind of the, not complaining, that's the sacrifice that we make. But it's still important to, despite whatever's going on in your full-time job, that you find time to work on these crucial elements of your trading. And it's key to success. You know, one of the big reasons that I enjoy doing the live trading room isn't because I like staring at charts for 3 hours a day, but it's a built-in excuse to work on my lower time frame recognition skills. It's a built-in excuse to get reps in the market on a much lower time frame where I can see the same type of setup that I'm looking for on, say, a 4-hour chart over and over again multiple times on the lower time frames. And doing that 3 hours a day is that built-in training, which helps me stay sharp with those aspects of my trading. So the key is stay sharp. Trading is a skill. You need to continuously work on that skill, even if you feel like you got it mastered, because you never want to start sliding in the back in the wrong direction, I guess you could say. You never want to start sliding back in your trading. So hope you guys enjoyed this trading blog. I will see you guys next time, whenever that may be. And until then, plan your trade, trade your plan. Take care. All right, traders. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you did, please show us by hitting that like button and subscribing by clicking the button right below. If you're looking for more educational content, feel free to head over to our TradingPower.com website, or also take a look and you'll see more videos available for you. Have a good one.